How to manage notifications and alerts. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, go to the notification section where you will see different categories such as email notification, project notification emails, and updates via SMS. Under email notifications, you can manage emails that are interesting, like someone submitting feedback or giving your rating, important such as invoice payment or approved refund, and essential for critical updates like receiving invoices or buyer refund request. In project notification email, you can control updates for saved sources, project invitation from buyers, project recommendation, platform invitations, and emails from talentex.io. For marketing emails, you can choose to receive daily special offers, newsletters, community updates, promotion, product update, service, and invitations based on personalized interest. You can also manage SMS updates as well as the sounds and alerts to ensure you receive real-time notifications while working. Adjusting these settings according to your preferences helps make your people per hour experience more organized and efficient. Now you know how to manage notifications and alerts on people per hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.